You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, trailer brake controller, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.